The Aiper Seagull 3000 makes pool cleaning worry-free. This vacuum has a 7,800 milliamp floating battery that provides 120 watt suction power and over 3,000 square feet cleaning coverage. It swallows up all the debris in your pool and runs 2 hours on a single charge. With powerful suction and 2 large filter baskets, Aiper swallows almost anything in your pool. The double-layer filtration system captures all kinds of debris. When Seagull comes alive, debris has nowhere to hide. Supported by ultra-strong motors and durable PVC scrubbing brushes, Seagull 3000 can roam around and thoroughly clean the debris on any surface effortlessly. Whether it's on concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass surface, Seagull 3000 provides equally powerful cleaning results on floor, wall, and waterline. Connecting to the app is simple. Just turn on the Seagull 3000, open the app, click on the Bluetooth icon in the top left corner, then just click on your device name and you're connected. This app is simple and intuitive. Here you can see the battery life of the Seagull 3000. Click on the cleaning mode icon and you can select from the multiple intelligent cleaning modes to clean the hard-to-reach zones. In the manual mode is where the real fun is. You can manually drive your vacuum for fun or do spot cleanings. The Smart App Control offers customizable and efficient pool cleaning. And just like the other Aiper products, the Seagull 3000 will automatically park by the poolside when the battery power is low. Now let's put this vacuum to the test. We put heavy sand and gravel in this kiddie pool to see how long it takes the vacuum to pick it all up. It takes less than 4 minutes to clean it up. Seagull 3000 is much safer, more efficient, and easier to use than corded pool cleaners. This pool is the victim of a nearby construction site. The wind has blown dust, mud, and debris into the pool. After a few minutes in the water, you can see the difference the Seagull 3000 makes. I really was impressed when it started climbing this handrail. Look at those scrubbers in action! Now let's see what it does in the shallow end of the pool. Yep, still working. This is what really impressed me though. After it accidentally flipped over, it flipped itself back over and kept going. tried it out in the deep end at 10 feet and it worked just fine. Watch it climb this 10-foot wall. Okay, let's see what we caught in the basket. Lots of leaves and mud. Cleaning the baskets are easy. Just rinse them out with a garden hose and you are ready to go. To get your own Seagull 3000, check out the link in the description.